Certainly. Here are 25 quotes from Sun Tzu's The Art of War that can be applied to the topic you will regret in old age, quotes which are better to be known. Regret is the poison of the mind. A wise person learns from their mistakes and moves forward. In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity. Don't let regrets hold you back from seizing those opportunities. The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. Likewise, the supreme art of life is to navigate through challenges without regrets. Know thyself, know thy limits. By understanding your own strengths and weaknesses, you can make choices that lead to a regret-free life. Victorious warriors win first and then go to war. Victorious individuals live a fulfilling life and then embrace old age without regrets. The greatest victory is that which requires no battle. The greatest victory in life is reaching old age with a heart filled with satisfaction and no regrets. Opportunities multiply as they are seized. Embrace the opportunities that come your way and avoid the regret of missed chances. He who knows when he can fight and when he cannot will be victorious. Similarly, he who knows when to act and when to let go will live with no regrets. To win 100 victories in 100 battles is not the acme of skill. To live without regrets in old age is the acme of a well-lived life. The greatest warriors are those who conquer themselves. The greatest individuals are those who conquer their fears and regrets. Move swift as the wind and closely formed as the wood. In old age, move with purpose and surround yourself with the support and love that bring joy, not regret. Supreme excellence consists of breaking the enemy's resistance without fighting. Supreme excellence in life consists of breaking the barriers of regret without losing hope. A wise ruler, commander, or individual avoids unnecessary battles. A wise person avoids unnecessary regrets in old age by making wise choices in their youth. The art of war teaches us to rely not on the likelihood of the enemy's not coming, but on our readiness to receive him. Likewise, the art of life teaches us to prepare for old age without regret. Build your happiness on the foundation of inner peace. When old age arrives, regrets will find no fertile ground. Treat your old age like a well-planned campaign, where each decision is made strategically to minimize regrets. The good fighters of old first put themselves beyond the possibility of defeat, and then waited for an opportunity of defeating the enemy. Live a life that puts you beyond the possibility of regret, and then embrace old age with grace. Do not repeat the tactics which have gained you one victory, but rather let your methods be regulated by the infinite variety of circumstances. Do not repeat the actions that brought regret in the past. Adapt and evolve to ensure a regret-free future. When the enemy is relaxed, make them toil. In old age, make peace with your past and focus on the present to avoid the toil of regret. Appear weak when you are strong, and strong when you are weak. Appear regret-free in old age, even if you face challenges and mistakes along the way. To fight and conquer in all your battles is not supreme excellence. Supreme excellence is in breaking the enemy's resistance without fighting. Likewise, supreme excellence in life is to conquer regret without engaging in self-destructive battles. If you know the enemy and know yourself, you need not fear the result of 100 battles. If you know yourself and learn from your past, you need not fear the result of old age. Let your plans be dark and impenetrable as night, and when you move, fall like a thunderbolt. Let your plans for a regret-free old age be firm and decisive. Opportunities are multiplied as they are seized, but regrets multiply when opportunities are missed. Seize the day and avoid the pain of regret. The greatest gift you can give yourself is a life well lived. Embrace old age knowing that you have no regrets, only cherished memories. These quotes from Sun Tzu can add depth and wisdom to your YouTube video, inspiring viewers to live a life free of regrets and embrace old age with satisfaction and fulfillment.